Tired of the back and forth dance of finding a meeting time that works for everyone? Let's ditch the scheduling chaos and jump straight into showcasing your Calendly availability like a pro. First, we will head over to Calendly. You will want to start by logging into your account. Once you're logged in, find the event type you want to share. You'll see a list of your event types right on the dashboard. Click the share button on the event you are showcasing. A window pops up with a few options. Let's start with the simplest, copying the direct link. Select copy link. Now you can paste this link anywhere: email, social media, or directly into your website. When someone clicks it, they'll go straight to your Calendly booking page for that specific event. Want to embed your calendar directly on your website? Back in the share window, look for the add to website option. Click that, and you'll see different embedding options, like inline embed, a pop-up widget, or a pop-up text. Choose the one that best fits your website's design. Calendly gives you a code snippet. Copy that code. Now, paste that code into your website's HTML where you want the calendar to appear. And finally, let's customize the appearance. Go to your Calendly settings here. You can set your time zone, customize the event duration, and even add a buffer time between meetings to avoid overlap. These small tweaks ensure a seamless experience for your clients. Showcasing your Calendly availability is all about making it easy for others to book time with you. Use these simple methods to optimize your scheduling process and say goodbye to scheduling headaches.